News.
As cross borders south, Tanzania opposition party ACT Wazalendo is now calling on the government of Tanzania to fully explain the mystery surrounding the absence of President John Pombe Magufuli, who has uncharacteristically not been seen in public for over 2 weeks now. Now, KTN's Ashley Mazuri now reports the party claims the government's explanation will avert growing concern about who exactly is running the East African nation.
Anxiety and speculation continues to grip Tanzania as the country's leader, President John Pombe Magufuli's whereabouts and well-being remains a mystery. And now an opposition party is demanding answers over the continued absence of President Magufuli. The party, ACT Wazalendo, is seeking to know who is handling the duties of the office of the president during his absence. President Magufuli was last seen in public on February 27th this year, leading to speculations over his health status. While the government is yet to officially confirm or dispute the reports, Vice President Samia Suluhu Hassan and Prime Minister Kassim Majaliwa have separately issued conflicting statements. On Monday, Samia Suluhu Hassan, who was touring Tanga region, suggested the head of state may be unwell.
Tanzania tuko salama. Ni kawaida ya mwanadamu kukaguliwa.
On Friday, Tanzania's Prime Minister Kassim Majaliwa told the media that the president was healthy and continuing with his duties as usual. The statement by ACT Wazalendo comes days after exiled opposition leader Tundu Lissu challenged the Tanzanian government to clear the air on the matter.
The health and well-being of a president is a matter of grave public concern. It is not a private matter.
According to the statement from ACT Wazalendo, the party has confirmed that President Magufuli is ill, but saddened by the government's handling of the matter. The party is now urging the government to release all citizens who have been arrested lately on accusations of circulating rumors about the president's health. Ashley Mazuri, KTN News.
Back in the country, tonight's Maendeleo chapter